this was literally £20 from Amazon. Okay, so this is the lash lift kit that I got. Cool, so just open it up. Okay. It comes with 4 perming lotions, 1 glue, 5 size lift pads, which are the bits that go on top, and then 1 cleansing tool. Step 1 is use the cleanser to remove the oil, dust and makeup residue. Okay, so then the next step is place under eye pads on the lower eyelids, making sure all the bottom lashes are covered. This should separate top and bottom lashes. And the next step says select the appropriate side lash lift pad. Right, I think I'm going to go for like the small ones because I've got quite small eyes. Alright, L, I'm guessing that means large. Small. Oh, I see. Okay, so they're all the same length. They just literally go on like that. Okay, cool. Right, so this says apply the glue to the back of the lash lift pads, wait for 20 seconds, and then put them on your eyelids as close to your lash line as possible. Hardly any glue coming out. This is like the smallest thing ever. Okay, yeah, that's much better. This is terrifying, I literally can't see. Wow, this is a really good look for me. Then, you just get some of this glue, and then you get the hairs all up there. That looks really scary. Okay, then what I have to do is put the perm solution on my eye. I'm going to do one of these little things. To cover that in some plastic wrap. But yeah, okay, so that means that needs 12 minutes and then I will be back. Okay, and now it's been 12 minutes. So I'm going to go in with the fixing solution. Yeah, before I add the fixing solution, I'm just going to like remove some of the excess perm solution. Just getting a clean one. Because obviously don't want that inside my eye, preferably. And then I just have to put that plastic over it and leave it for another 12 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. So to take it all. And now it's time to take it all off. So I need to get the cleanser back, apparently. It says using the Y. I don't get how you're supposed to like cleanse with this, but okay. So this is just some of the cleanser. I'm going to use this because using this seems like how does that even work, you know? I can't wait to get this off. Remove the lift pad, blah blah blah, and okay. So I'm just going to use this again. I'm just going to go with my tissue and the cleanser. I'm just doing this on top of my lashes. I'm not actually like rubbing my lashes. And then it says to go in with the Nourish. I'm just going to brush through it. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I think that looks so nice. Then I'll just do the other side and I will be back when it's all finished. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Okay, so this is both of them now finished. Now I'm just going to go in with the little number 3 nutrition, which you're supposed to put on your lashes afterwards. I've given them a good wipe with the cleanser. That went in my eye. Okay, then I'll just give them a quick little brush through. I've still got like some glue on my eyelid that I couldn't get rid of, but I'm hoping when I wash my face that will just go. But yeah, so this is how they've turned out. I think they're considerably better than earlier. I'm really happy with them. And now I'm going to laminate my eyebrows, and then I'm going to do my makeup and everything tomorrow. So I'll check back in tomorrow when I've got like my full face of makeup on. I might be blonde, but I might not. I haven't quite decided. It seems like a reckless decision to go blonde. I haven't decided, which makes me feel like I shouldn't do it because I'm this unsure. But at the same time, like, you only live once, you know what I mean? So we'll see. And hopefully I won't be ill. But I'll be back, and I'd like to see how this looks once I've got all my eye makeup on, and like I'll put mascara over it. I obviously won't wear any fake eyelashes just for the purpose of like wanting to see what they actually look like. But I'm so impressed. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. It looks like I'm wearing makeup. I'm ready to go. And yeah, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I'm going to upload a video of that as well. I will be back when I'm all ready. What do you guys think? I think that's amazing. £20 that kit cost me. Pretty easy as well, not gonna lie. It's a little bit fiddly. This eye was a lot harder than this eye, and I think obviously because this was the first one that I did. But when I did this eye, it just went so well. Like, I think these lashes look a bit better than this one, because I really got it from the root a bit more. But I mean, like, I'm still happy. Oh, that was embarrassing. Alright, cool. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.